You're right. Oh no. This hotel is not good.
Super.
What I remember, yes. There's a lot of mosquito. This is an ordinary hotel. Oh, No, it's Grand Horizon eh. Our hotel is Grand Hoya. So I don't know. Let's see. We went in that hotel, the Horizon Hotel. But now we're going to have this Grand Hoya. So it's a different one. I thought it was the same. Wow. Wow, sexy.
Masang.
This one. No? That's sexy, Max.
You made it. Well done. Before you turn off your vehicle, take a moment to feel grateful for arriving safely. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to be fully present with whatever you are doing next.
It was a good hotel.
Huh?
I think this one is a good hotel.
Yeah. Maybe because there's like balcony eh. Magaling yung mga balcony nila oh.
Yes.
Ay, saka. Tata. Diba wearing yung charger natin?
What?
Diba wearing yung charger? Nag-joke ka lang.
Yes, it's here maybe.
If it's not there, I'm gonna punch you.
Why punch? Kagad. Ano yan?
Yes. Witness the consequences of your little game. Do you want? Bro. Dito na tayo.
We're here at the Grand Hoya Hotel. I'm going to pause again the video.